Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that the battery level on the left and right earbuds are very different. So actually this is a very normal issue if you use your earbuds not both at once. So you can just, for example, use one earbud, for example left one alone, when the other one is in the case. This is normal, completely normal. So to fix that, at first what I do recommend is to charge them to 100% and check if this issue persists. If it persists, and for example the right one does not charge, and you do have 100% case, 100% left earbud, and 79, for example, the right one, you have to contact device support because something's wrong with your earbuds and it's just broken. It cannot be fixed by yourself using the software. So yeah, apart from that, you can try factory resetting your earbuds. To do so, open the case and tap 4 times here so that it will be factory resetted. Now they are factory resetted, and this should fix your issue. But if it still doesn't fix your issue, the only way to fix your headphones is to contact the device support and have your device have your device fixed. There is no other choice actually. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.